welcome back to Chocolate is My Vice. I'm happy to see all of my fellow chocoholics back here in action. To everyone who's new, welcome. I'm weird. This video is a highly requested video and I'm so excited that I finally have the time to sit down and record it. The reason why it's taken me so long is because I lost the control kit for my Lashify lashes. Found it in my car under the passenger seat 6 months later. So I've finally been able to put these lashes on. So now I'm gonna record a video of me taking off my makeup at the end of the day with my lashes on and then taking the lashes off as if it's time for them to go. So this is usually what happens on day 5 and it is a process. It was definitely a learning process for me. I thought you could just take the lashes off and everything would be Gucci, but hell to the no. You gotta work for them lashes to be gone. What? My skin has been breaking out like nobody's business and I'm about to take all my makeup off for you guys on the World Wide Web. So, yay! But it would be really dumb and ignorant and silly to pretend that we don't all break out. So, I do too. I'm just as normal as the rest of you guys. That's a lie. I'm really weird. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. This is how I take my makeup off. This is how I start. I get a wipe. We'll just start taking it off. What I do around my... Oh, hello. Eyeshadow, I'll get the wipe and I will just lightly take off the eyeshadow if I'm wearing any. Alright, and then I'll do the rest of my face, but let's get on to this eye. I didn't get all of the liner off on this eye and that's okay. I'm gonna go in and be a little bit more thorough for the majority of my face before I wash it. I didn't want to put off this video any longer. I don't really want to wait for my face to heal. I just wanted to make this dang video, okay? Okay, so then what I do is I will get a Q-tip and oil-free makeup remover. I'm using this stuff from Target. We're all human and American, we have seen it, okay? Even though it's oil-free, I still get a little cautious using it next to the glue of the Lashify lashes because that is the same makeup remover that I use to take off the glue, okay? But there's a whole different process. You have to hold the makeup remover to the glue to actually like get it removed. So if this is like real quick and real easy, it shouldn't hurt anything. Okay, so what I do is I get the Q-tip, I've dipped it into the oil-free makeup remover, and I will lightly start taking off this liner. Your eyes are the ones that get the wrinkles first, so I try to be as gentle as possible. So when I've gotten the majority of the eyeliner off, I'll get a dry, clean Q-tip and just mopping up the leftover makeup remover. Now I'm going to move on to this eyeball over here. Okay, pretty much all of the eyeliner is gone from the top lid. There is going to be just a little bit left, like in the lashes, but I'm okay with that because I know that if I deep clean the upper lid, the lash glue will start to loosen and the lashes will just fall off the next day because I've done that before. So I just clean it off as best that I can, which I've done a pretty good job. And then whenever I'm done with the top part of the lashes and the Q-tips on the bottom part of the lashes, I will get a cotton pad with some oil-free makeup remover on it and just kind of swipe underneath because I know that there's been some fallout, some like leakage of the liner to the bottom part of my eyes, to my under eyes. So I like to clean that up. And this is what I got out, see? It's not a lot, but it's there, and I just want to make sure my face is clean, you know? So this is the end result. After this, I will go in with my Clarisonic cleanser brush, wash my whole face, avoid the eye area, dry it, tone my face, put on moisturizer, go to bed. But you see how these lashes right here have begun to separate, kind of just clump together? That is a telltale sign that it's time for these lashes to grr. So I'm gonna take these lashes off and show you guys how I take off these lashes and also, most importantly, how I take off the glue. It is not easy to take off the glue. If I had to say like what is the most important video of Lashify, this is it. How to remove the glue. I'm a real person, I'm not paid, this is how I do it. Let's just hop right into it because I feel like it's so important to get everything off and to do it the right way without pulling your own little lashes out, okay? Alright, let's get started. Okay, you guys, this is how I take off the Lashify lashes. If you notice, I am very out of focus in this frame. For some reason, I am out of focus for the majority of the last half of this video. I have no idea why that happened. Actually, that's a lie. I have a slight idea. I was trying out a new setting, and I guess the autofocus just stopped working on this new setting. I don't understand why my camera sucks so hard when I'm trying to film a video. But hey, it is what it is, and I'm really sorry that this is out of focus, but my zoomed in parts, when I get real close to the camera so you can see my lashes, are in focus, and those are the parts that to me are important. And then the things that I say in this video, even though my face is out of focus, my voice is not, and I think what I say is importante. So bear with me, please. So sorry. Please forgive me. Enjoy. Bye! I tried to describe this in the comments, and I was like, I just gotta make a video. So here's what I do. Here's my hands. Here's my nail. I will go. I'm trying to get this on camera. I'll go under the lashes right here. Can you see that I've like picked it up? Like that, and I'll just pull that off. Okay, next lash. So I'll go in. See how I kind of like push them back a little bit? I will put my thumbnail under the lash and I'll just pull it off like that. All right, and then I will continue doing that. Absolutely 100% painless, by the way. I want you guys to see that there's still glue on my lashes. And I don't think that my camera is going to show you that there's still glue on my lashes, but you can see there's some black glue right here. So these lashes are stuck. See? Ooh, do you see that? Yeah, there's still glue on my lashes. So whenever I pulled the lashes off for the first time, I still had glue on my real lashes, and I was like, oh no, honey, like this isn't gonna work. No, why? And I did not know what to do, and I went on the website and I didn't see, I don't know, I couldn't find it. But this was months ago. I'm talking like over half a year ago, so I'm sure that there's been an update now, which is awesome. But for me, I couldn't find it, and there wasn't a video on this at all. This is why I wanted to make this video, because I'm like, okay, hada. I don't want someone else to be out here being like, why is this lash glue still on my lashes? How do I get this off? So what I know about real lash extensions is if they get too oily, what that does is it breaks down the glue and your lashes will fall off. So I was like, oh, I need something that's got oil in it. Well, me being the oiliest person on the planet, all I have is oil-free makeup remover. Now, my guess is if you got the oil makeup remover, it is gonna work a whole lot better than this. But if this is what you have and you don't feel like running to the store, here's what I do. I get a cotton pad, okay, and I soak a spot of this makeup remover and I hold it to the lid. And what I want to happen is I want to loosen up and dampen the glue. So right now, it's dried, it's sticky. But if I get it wet and, you know, soak it up a little bit, what's gonna happen is the glue will kind of clump up and I'll be able to gently pull it off of my lashes. So what I'm doing is I'm lightly pulling. Here, let me get some of this glue. Gosh, I hope it's in focus. I cannot tell. But this, see like these clumps right here? That is the glue. There's still some glue left on this lash line. So I'm gonna repeat the process. I got a brand new cotton pad and I'm just lightly gliding. Sometimes I'll do like a little twisty thing. This side is done. I was able to get off nice clumps of glue. Hopefully y'all can see the clumps of glue. That's how you get the glue off. All right, well that is how I take off the lashes. As you can see, I'm completely naked and bare, free as a bird, and I feel hideous. All right, well that was it. That's how I take off my lashes. It's easier than I thought it was gonna be. When I, first took off the lashes and realized that there was still glue on my lashes, I was shooketh. I was like, I have no idea what to do. But I figured it out, and I wanted to make a video so that other people who have no idea what to do can find this on YouTube, and hopefully it will save them. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be updating a holiday Lashify tutorial very soon. So stay tuned, and Merry Christmas.